Brad Williams, Excel primed, 3-column list, left and up to a 12-row by 4-column list. What are we going to encounter? This is a duplicate of the previous tutorial. Purpose of this example is to implement some padding here. And the change, can't just throw a normal pad in here. Why? Because we're using VStack and HStack. HStack and VStack don't have a padding capability. Sure, we can increase our columns and we can increase our rows, but what if we don't want some arbitrary output? Here, it's a hyphen. Do we want that? Well, you might. If not, you can change it. How? You can just implement a simple if or is blank into your formula. Here we have VStack if is blank, put in, leave it blank. Here we are going to change this up a little bit. Take a look here. We're just going to put in 2 double quotes. We're going to use an is blank. No magic here. I mentioned this earlier. We can incorporate an if statement. This is a simple if statement. If is blank, then put in a blank. Otherwise, C5 to E17. Same with HStack. If is blank, do the same thing. Otherwise, E15 or C5 to D13. It looks confusing, but it's basic Excel. Just have to piece it all together. Over here, read the anatomy if you're a little confused on implementing these nested functions. Straightforward. Just think through the logic. Otherwise, the VStack here is the first example, the mirror of the previous tutorial. The second one we have is blank. Notice the difference. It's simple change here. But you can see course of action in order to create a blank environment. You sort of have to input a bunch of stuff. Take care of your data entry. Otherwise, you can just leave it status quo, whatever works for you. Brad Williams, Excel primed.